The DGIVOVO Electric Pressure Washer 4500 PSI is designed to provide user convenience with an overall length of 55 feet, comprising a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure pipe. This electric pressure washer demonstrates unmatched cleaning power with a robust 1500-watt motor and an impressive pressure of 4200 PSI. The DGIVOVO Electric Pressure Washer is versatile, featuring a 450 milliliter foam pot and a 4-color nozzle system, allowing you to customize your cleaning approach. The washer offers extended reach and easy control with the help of wheels for smooth navigation, providing stability and control as you move from one cleaning task to the next. Designed for comfort, the DGIVOVO Electric Pressure Washer features a user-friendly design with a comfortable sponge handle, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. With a review score of 4.5 and 57 reviews, this product is a popular choice among customers, selling 300 units per month.